Hello friends,
Hello, good morning.
very good morning. Today we all have gathered here to discuss one topic that is importance of education. And this is going to be an interesting topic because education plays a very important role in our life. Behind a successful person, education helps that person to be successful in his or her life. So friends, please give your views about this topic that is importance of education.
Well, education is most important part in our life. Education is important to live with happiness and prosperity. Education empowers our mind that will conceive good thoughts and ideas. Fine. Education plays a very important role in one's life. It helps us to be successful and to be better person. Education improves our knowledge, skill, confidence level, and personality. It empowers us intellectually and helps us to deal with problems.
Well, education is only one thing that can remove corruption, unemployment, and environmental problems. Education is not about doing a degree. It is about how you can live with your own feet.
Yeah. Education enables a student to do analysis while making a life decision. Life gives various survival challenges for human, but education guides human to fight among failure and get success. Look, in today's competitive world, good education has become a necessity. Higher education helps in getting a good job and position. Education prepares people for different life experiences. It helps people to have a special status in society.
Fine. Education is one of the most important part in our life. Education helps us to becoming a good person, a good parent, a good student, and an honest citizen, etc. in our life. Education develops a good political ideology.
Fine. Education is only one thing that can remove corruption, unemployment, and environmental problems. Education is only one thing that we can use to change the world. That education, uh, education helps to become a good parent, student, and an honest citizen of the country. Moreover, education polishes our mind and settles our character. It helps us to take the right decisions. It is the key of success in personal as well as professional life. It makes us smart enough to handle tough situations and to live a happy life.
Alright, look, everyone deserves to be educated. Education is the first only investment of childhood days. Education helps a person to make their country develop.
Education is not about doing a degree. It is about how you can live with your own feet. Education is a reform of human mind. Without education, the training of the human mind is incomplete. A human mind is made to be trained, and without education, a person is incomplete. Education makes people a good thinker and an able decision maker.
Education grows as values. If you have skills but does not have values, then an educated person is useless. Education has to be accessible to all. We all have to ensure that there is no barrier to education for common people.
I agree with you. Education has to be accessible to all. Thanks to the modern technology and the internet innovators. Due to them, now young people, poor people, and people living in halls get access of education. Education teaches the ability to read and write. Education is extremely important for employment. Education certainly is a good opportunity to make a decent living. It is seen that many poor people improve their lives with the help of education. Consequently, education makes people literate.
The value of education and its significance can be understood that the fact as soon as we are born, our parents start educating us about an essential thing in our life. They teaches us about the rules of the society and for becoming a good followed human
Being in contact with an educated person and having an intelligent conversation should increase creativity and joy in the mind.
how we behave with our parents and how much of regard we have for our elders is a direct result of our initial education. So it would not be wrong to say that a person's initial education begins at his home.
Education makes the national development process faster. Education gives us a good ideology. Uh, Education helps us to become a good education helps us to become a good student, to have a basic understanding of technology.
Education makes a better person and it teaches us various skills. It enhances our intellect and ability to make rational decisions. It also enhances our individual growth. Education is also makes the economic growth of of a country.
Our whole life is the process of learning and gaining education, and thus all government of all countries should ensure to spread education.
Let us take the uneducated towards the light of education and glow the glory of our nation. Let us make our country more powerful by power of knowledge. Quote of Francis Bacon. Knowledge is power. Okay, friends. Now we will. It's a good conversation. I think so. We will take another discussion, that is importance of girls' education. So you know that today's education is important for each and everyone. It is a powerful tool of development. In the world of development and progress, women are equal and important too. So what are your views about importance of girls' education?
Girls have the same right as boys for their education. An educated girl can make informed choices and can form far range of better options. Educating a girl saves lives and builds stronger families, communities, and economies. An educated female population increases the country's productivity and fuels economic growth.
Education is an essential part of our country. Whether it is a boy or a girl, education helps a individual to become smarter, to learn new things, and to know about the facts around the world.
Educated women are helping their families financially. It is hence in today's competitive world, it is necessary that every girl get their right to education. In old days, people did not give much importance to girls' education. In modern age, people have realized that girls' education is equally important.
Well, there are several advantages of developing female education in India. Since education plays a very important role in developing our developing female education and improve literacy rate. And India's literacy rate continues to be below the global average.
Girls have the same right to education as boys. Educated girls can make informed choices and a far better range of options. Educated girls can build a stronger family economics and communities. Educated girls can develop a country fuel economic um, and the community of and economic of a country.
However, even if women have proved themselves in every field, there are some people who oppose girls' education. They feel that educating a girl is wasted of money. This is absolutely wrong.
I agree with you. In any case, the face of the young girls are still very low in the nation. This is very distributing to see these figures in a nation where girls are given the status of goddess. Girls are not permitted to go tired out of their own homes in ancient times and are also not permitted to go schools to get their education.
Especially girls' education is in India is need of the hour. In the term of inhabitants, India is the second largest country in the world. But the term of girls' education in India is extremely low.
Educate, education of girls can help the financially development. It is the capability of them that they can fight against injustice, violence, and corruption. Education expands the vision of our nation to see the world. Girls can take their own decisions in their life.
Different elements make it inexplicable for young girls' education in our nation. Despite the fact education and training are being free, it still includes a significant expense to send your girls to a school. Therefore, families who are choosing a better, decent life choose to neglect to pay the educational cost of their kids.
Generally, in rural areas where people rarely want to send their daughters to school, they think that girls should stay at home, mothers serve their family, and nothing else. This mentality is completely wrong about the girls' education. The girls' education should be a massive revolution in the society or in the country.
When girls are given the proper education, they can further become a good teacher, lawyer, scientist, and much more. They can become a strong building blocks of our developed nation. They help their families income.
We have to educate our young girls and ready them for a better and sustainable life. They are without a doubt the eventful fate of our country. In addition, when they become taught, they won't need to subject to others for their occupation. And one of the most significant advantage of female education in India is the nation's future will be more splendid.
There are many NGOs that are serving to this problem. But the one of the trustworthy is Fair India. With the launch of the program that is Girls Education Program GEP that focuses on the education especially in rural areas for the access of girls education.
It is said that if you educate a man, we educate an individual. But if you educate an woman, we can educate a family. It is seen that many rural areas the girls have not get their proper education. The government have taken the effort to on these areas.
Girls get empowered and can be independent, and education helps them to be independent. Education leads to the improve of self-esteem and it gives much more opportunities that they feel confident and hence can free themselves and can survive on their own feet.
There are several advantages of developing a female education in India since education can play an important role for developing a country. A role men and women play in the society is totally determined as there is a gender gap.
However, girls' education has become a However, people mindset also need to be changed on this effect. Girls will girls education will have a good impact on the economic of the good of the developed nation. Hence, girls education should be encouraged and should be important.